Guys that haven't seen recently, this is my current new hair, and this is by DSoar hair, this wig. I have been feeling curly hair for a long time, you guys know that anyways, and for me this curl texture, this curl type is by far my favorite. I love this hair so much. I have in 4 bundles of Peruvian natural wave hair, and this is the hair. It's not super tight curls because I wanted a little bit different. This one's more natural wavy, and all I've added into this hair is a little bit of mousse, and I am feeling this hair. Any curly hair is just easy, it's convenient, you don't have to do much to it, you glue it and you're out, you know, add a little bit of water and you're out. And I am obsessed with this new hair. I prefer the length. It comes down like literally, sorry, I'm like a little like kiddie store. It comes down past my back and it's literally just about, yeah, it reaches my butt crack. It reaches my butt crack. I am in love with it. It's by far one of my favorite hairs. I feel like I say it in every video, but this is definitely by far one of my favorite hairs. It is a frontal, as you guys can see. I did it to the side this time because my last curly hair was to the middle, and I done it to the side. And honestly, this for me, I think this one is my favorite lacing frontals. The actual hair itself is really soft. It doesn't feel coarse, it doesn't feel like mucky. It's got like a really nice softness to it, and it's so full. I done 4 bundles, and when I went to Sister Touch, who's my hairdresser whenever I'm in Birmingham, Manchester, that kind of area, she always does my wigs for me. And when I went there, the hair was really so full, and she had 1 bundle, and she was like to me, I've got 1 more bundle, what do you want me to do with it? And I was like, add it in, because I wasn't gonna use, like, it would just be a spare bundle like lying around in my house. It's fresh hair, so it's very new. I've had it now for about a week. Yeah, I've had it now for about a week and really happy with it. I'll obviously put the description of the set all in the description box, so if you guys want to purchase it, you guys can just do all that, and that is all down below. Once again, this hair is 26, 26, 26 and 26 and a 20 frontal. I originally bought the hair as bundles, so I got my hairdresser Sister's Touch to make it into wig for me. She always makes my wigs, and what I love about her, she's so good at every kind of texture, but I just love the way she does the curly wigs. She just always knows how to slay it, and she did this immaculately. But this hair is once again by DSoar hair. Yeah, so this is my current wig, my favorite wig. Make sure you guys shop everything in the description box. So yeah.